हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम बॅक टू माय चॅनल. मी आहे सायली आणि आज मी तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन आली आहे टॉप 20 MCQs ऑन अँटी हायपरटेन्सिव्ह ड्रग. MPSC ड्रग इन्स्पेक्टरची एक्झाम जवळ आली आहे. सो आपण ऑलमोस्ट रोजच MCQs टाकणार आहोत ऑन द सिलेबस ऑफ MPSC ड्रग इन्स्पेक्टर 2026. तर चलो, विदाउट एनी फर्दर ड्यू, let's get started with today's session. Question number 1. All of the following are potassium channel activators except खालीलपैकी कोणतं पोटॅशियम चॅनल ऍक्टिव्हेटर्स आहेत एक्सेप्ट कोणतं? A. मिनॉक्झिडिल, B. क्लोरोमोकॅलिम, C. सोटेलिलॉल and D. निकोरॅन्डिल. And the correct option is C. Sotalolol. Why? Because sotalolol is a voltage-gated potassium channel blocker that present on the heart and indicated as antiarrhythmic drugs. Minoxidil, chromocalin, and nicorandil are ACS-sensitive potassium channel blockers which are present on vascular smooth muscle. Question number 2. Which of the following drug has increased risk of reflex tachycardia? A. Verapamil, B. Diltiazem, C. Nifedipine, and D. Captopril. And the correct option is C. Nifedipine. Question number 3. Which of the following category of a drug are selective for vascular smooth muscle? A. Dihydropyridines, B. Phenylalkylamines, C. Dibenzoazepines, and D. All of the above. And the correct option is A. Dihydropyridines. Question number 4. One of the important toxic effect of nitroprusside is A. Hypertension, B. Neutropenia, C. Decreased thyroid function, and D. Angioedema. And the correct option is C. Decreased thyroid function. Because तुमचं जे सोडियम नायट्रोप्रुसाइड आहे is given by your IV route, intravenous route, and can be converted into the thiocyanate in the body, which cause accumulation may inhibit the thyroid function. Question number 5. The toxicity of sodium nitroprusside is due to A. Accumulation of bradykinin, B. Accumulation of thiocyanate, C. Depletion of thiol groups, and D. Hemolysis. And the correct option is B. Accumulation of thiocyanate. Sodium nitroprusside is given by IV route, आत्ताच आपण बघितलं, and which can be converted into thiocyanate in a body, which may produce a toxic effects like inhibition of thyroid function, weakness, and nausea, which is due to the accumulation of thiocyanate. Repetitive आलेले questions आहेत on nitroprusside. Question number 6. Which of the following alkaloids acts as a phosphodiesterase inhibitor? A. Cinchonin, B. Papaverine, C. Quinine, and D. Conicin. And the correct option is B. Papaverine. Why? Because तुमचं जे papaverine आहे, that is opoid alkaloid which is present in the plant among the morphine and codeine. आणि तुमचं जे ओपॉइड आहे विच इज अल्कोलॉइड विच ऍक्ट्स ॲज अ फॉस्फोडायस्टरेज इनिबिटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Important side effect of propranolol is A. Hypertension, B. Angioedema, C. Dry cough, and D. Nightmares. And the correct option is nightmares. हे लक्षात ठेवायचे. बऱ्याचदा आलेले प्रोप्रेनॉलचं साइड इफेक्ट काय आहे जो मोस्टली होऊ शकतो, दॅट इज नाईटमेअर्स. It is a non-selective beta blocker that can produce hypotension, decrease heart rate, and inhibit sympathetic activity. Side effect of this is bronchospasm, hypokalemia, cold sensation, fatigue, and hypoglycemia. And which is the your propranolol is a lipophilic that can easily cross blood-brain barriers and produce the nightmares. Question number 8. Which of the following is a recombinant form of human B type nutriuretic peptide? A. Bosentan, B. Nesiritide, C. Nicorandil, and D. Chromocalin. and the correct option is B. Neseretide. Question number 9. All of the following are the drug target for shock except A. Ephedrine, B. Corticosteroid, C. Dobutamine, and D. Ipoprostenol. And the correct option is ipoprostenol because it is a prostaglandin used to treat pulmonary artery hypertension and is not a primary target for a treatment of general shock. Question number 10. Which of the following drug is converted to the cyanide by exposure to light? A. Nicorandil, B. Captopril, C. Nitroprusside, and D. Valsartan. And the correct option is nitroprusside. Nitroprusside, it is an organic nitrate that is less stable and easily hydrolyzed to the cyanide and त्याच्यामुळे ते तुम्हाला cyanide poisoning देऊ शकतो sodium nitroprusside. Question number 11. Which drug is preferred in a hypertension during pregnancy? Important question आहे. A. Enalapril, B. Losartan, C. Methyl dopa and D. Captopril. ज्या स्टुडंटनी आपले लेक्चर्स बघितले आहेत त्यांना लगेच आन्सर करता येईल. दॅट इज सी. मिथाइल डोपा. आपण लक्षात ठेवलेलं MM, मदर मिथाइल डोपा. Correct? It acts centrally by stimulating alpha-2 receptors, reducing sympathetic outflow. It is considered safe for both mother and fetus. MM लक्षात ठेवायचं. Question number 12. Which hypertensive drug causes reflex tachycardia? A. Propranolol, B. Hydralazine, C. Enalapril, and D. Methyl dopa. And the correct option is B. Hydralazine. Why? Because hydralazine causes direct arterial vasodilation. The sudden fall in a blood pressure triggers to reflex sympathetic stimulation which causes the tachycardia. Question number 13. Which diuretic is commonly used as a first line therapy for hypertension? A. Furosemide, B. Hydrochlorothiazide, C. Mannitol, and D. Acetazolamide. And the correct option is B. Hydrochlorothiazide. Because thiazide diuretics reduce the blood volume and peripheral resistance, making them first line drugs for a mild hypertension. Mild hypertension लक्षात असू दे. Question number 14. Which hypertensive drug is contradicted in pregnancy? आधीचा क्वेश्चन बघितला की आपण कोणतं ड्रग देतो आणि इथं विचारले की कोणतं कॉन्ट्राडिक्टेड आहे. A. मिथाइल डोपा, B. labetalol, C. enalapril, and D. nifedipine. And the correct option is C. enalapril because it can cause a fatal kidney damage and other developmental fetus. Question number 15. Read the following statement regarding few the drugs used in a hypertension. Select the incorrect statement. Incorrect statement select करायचं आहे. A. Levosimendan increases the contractility of the heart. B. Minoxidil produces hirsutism. C. Losartan causes dry cough. And D. Hydralazine produces system lupus erythematosus. And the correct option is C. Losartan causes dry cough. कारण याच्यातलं फक्त एवढंच incorrect आहे. Because Losartan does not cause a dry cough. Only ACE inhibitors cause dry cough. Question number 16. Sildenafil is indicated for A. bronchial asthma, B. pulmonary hypertension, C. renal hypertension, and D. erectile dysfunction. And the correct option is erectile dysfunction because sildenafil is a PDE type 5 inhibitor indicated for erectile dysfunction and pulmonary hypertension. Question number 17. Choose the wrong drug target for a treatment of hypertension. A. Alpha-2 antagonist, B. ACE inhibitor, C. Beta blockers, and D. AT2 receptor antagonist. And the correct option is A. Alpha-2 antagonist because alpha-2 antagonists are not vasodilators. Alpha-1 antagonists are vasodilators. Which of the following drug acts on dopamine, the receptors and indicated for a severe hypertension? A. Methyl dopa, B. Phenol dapum, C. Bosertan, D. Haloperidol. And the correct option is, comment below what is the correct option. And the correct option is B. Why? Because it is a dopamine agonist that produces renal vasodilation, and it is used in a severe hypertension for increasing the diuresis, thereby increases the excretion of the sodium. That's why. Question number 19. Select the wrong combination of a drug and its mechanism. A. Bradykinin nitric oxide. Opioids increases CAMP. Natriuretic peptides CGMP. D. Minoxidil opening of KACH. And the correct option is B. Opioids increase in CAMP. Question number 20. Select the wrong statement from the following. A. Captopril is contradicted in a bilateral renal artery stenosis. B. ACE inhibitor produce taste disturbances. C. Thiol group in captopril binds to the zinc in ACE. And D. Nitroprusside release nitric acid. And the correct option is easiest question, B. ACE inhibitors produce taste disturbances, because not all ACE inhibitors produce taste disturbances. Only captopril produces taste disturbance. Clear? तर स्टुडंट्स, हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर लाईक, सबस्क्राईब अँड शेअर विथ युअर फ्रेंड्स. एमपीएससी ड्रग इन्स्पेक्टर 2026 एक्झाम जवळ आलेली आहे. 22 मार्चला ही एक्झाम असणार आहे. सो स्टार्ट प्रिपेअरिंग पण नाही, स्टार्ट रिवायझिंग. हा तुमचा रिव्हिजन पिरियड असायला पाहिजे. म्हणूनच मी सॉल्व्ह करण्यासाठी चॅनलवर एमसीक्यूज टाकत आहे. ते एमसीक्यूज आधी तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करत जा आणि मग आन्सर बघत जा. त्याच्या आधी आन्सर बघत जाऊ नका. तुम्हाला अजून कशावर एमसीक्यूज हवे असतील तर कमेंट बिलो, मी नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये घेऊन येईल. तर चलो, बाय, टेक केअर अँड स्टडी हार्ड.